Hello everyone, welcome to RONSCO Weekly. This is Iris, providing you the latest Chinese steel prices and market trends every week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like buttons right here to stay up to future updates. The Chinese market has seen a decrease in activity this week, resulting in lower steel prices. First of all, China's manufacturing sector experienced a significant decline in April, with the PMI dropping to 49.2%, a decrease of 2.7 percentage points from the previous month. This indicates that the demand for steel in this sector is currently low. And guess what? On the supply side, steel mills are reducing their output due to decreasing prices and reduced profits. However, the property market is still weak and there is little potential for growth in infrastructure needs. Now, let's take a look at the production and consumption aspects in more detail. At the 5-day holiday, further in playing its part in driving demand down, China's steel production decreased by 150,000 tons this week, while the demand for steel decreased by 500,000 tons. Accordingly, the amount of steel stored in inventory increased by 170,000 tons, showing that there is little excess of steel in China's steel market. It appears that the Federal Reserve's recent increase of 25 basis points in May may signal the end of further rate hikes. However, it is unlikely that China will implement more effective stimulus measures in the near future. So, steel prices are likely to decrease in the short term. Interest rate will remain high, which will continue to put downward pressure on commodity prices in 2023. Do you believe that Chinese steel prices will decrease further? If you like this video, please remember to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up by pressing the subscribe and like buttons. See you next week. Bye bye.